Okay.
Almost. Gonna do it. Oh, come on. Can't stop. I went through can topping boot camp. Look at me. He has developed a great product for the American people. It's called me. Watch me get Brian, dude. I'll just sink him. His bad skills. Alright, dude, I'm doing it one more time. I'm putting it up.
Ooh.